Be kind, spread love. Be kind, spread love.
Guys, this is my mom's place when she was growing up. 58 Via Mercata. Come say hi.
Ciao, Vicky.
Ciao, Vicky. I'm sure it's changed than when she was young.
Andiamo qua, andiamo da Vicky.
Si caccia, gente. Steven says there. Nice little hat. Dopo può darsi, grazie, grazie. Che bellezza, che bellezza. Come si chiama lui? Ok.
Canada qui a Palermo, i migliori di YouTube in tutto il mondo. Grazie a te. Coffee? Yes. Ciao, ciao.
Here it is. Quattro Canti here in Palermo. The most probably the most popular street here. Okay. A lot of dresses here. Very famous arancini place called Che Palle. They have all kinds of different arancinis here. We have entered a $3 Spritz place. Now she has to approve it. If so, I get one. Let's see. Da, 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 da.
Oh, look, there's gases.
So I can have one?
It's fresh Prosecco.
So 3 Aperol Spritz, she approves.
There you go.
$3 Spritz is here. He has gelato, he has granitas, cannolis, he has everything. Look, he's making one right now.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao de Canada.
Yes.
Perfect. Amazing. $3 for all this. Can't go wrong. C'è un canale di YouTube, allora faccio un YouTube. Grazie a te, eh?
Ciao, grazie.
Yes. Scusa, sorry. Arancini, of course, can't go wrong with that.
Grazie mille. Grazie.
You want to tell him now? Va dire a lui ora. Oh!
Mi piace dire tante cose belle.
Grazie mille. Grazie.
Ciao, dopo, ciao. On our way to the cathedral. Yeah, definitely giants here with these big doors. Fa caldo oggi.
Anche a voi, tante
Grazie,
cose,
grazie.
da frase, tante cose belle, anche a voi.
Grazie. Oh yeah. XXO, bro.
This is deja vu right here.
Yeah.
Stunning, stunning, stunning. Not sure if there's much to report for this garden. Park. Thought it was the gardens, but I don't think it is. And we're at this building now, the palace of the Normans. So. I don't know if that's the color.
Guys, we're ending up our video here having a Hugo Spritz. I had this in Catania, it's delicious. I'm gonna have one now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the drone shots. Come to Palermo, come see the beautiful sights, the sounds, the food. Tutto bene qui in Palermo, Sicilia. Grazie. Ciao a tutti. Saluti.
Forget to like and subscribe to High by Travel. We out. Peace. Be kind, spread love. Be kind, spread love.